What you can also do inside of ChatGPT is create music, but you cannot directly create music in ChatGPT, and you have to follow a trick. For that, you need to go around and create a MIDI notation Python code. So I'm going to go around and say make a 1 minute upbeat music, make a 1 minute upbeat music. So I'm going to go around and say generate this as a Python code that generates MIDI right here. So this is what I'm going to go around and type in. So this is what you have. So generate, make an upbeat, make a upbeat music, and generate this as a Python code that generates MIDI right here. So once I go around and type this in and press send, you can see that it creates a Python code right here, and it utilizes the MIDI util file right here from MIDI file. So you can see that there's the duration, tempo, and the beat resolution, and so forth. So now what you need to do is you need to go around and take it out into a Python compiler, and make sure that the MIDI util file is there, the source file is there, and you can run this code and get the music file in MIDI format. And that is how you can create MIDI notation Python code that you can utilize inside of ChatGPT and create music as well. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.